Sam and Emma found a shell. When they touched it, water surged, and they entered Coral Cove. Vibrant coral castles, playful dolphins, and schools of iridescent fish greeted them. But their wonder quickly turned to concern. Serpent Slither had stolen the coral crown, the ocean's brilliance. Sam and Emma were determined to help. Fish Fin guided them through dark caves. Emma revealed hidden clues to Slither's lair. They escaped Slither's traps. Their determination pushed them forward. Finally, they reached Slither's cavern. Instead of a beast, they found a lonely serpent. He was simply sad and isolated. Emma invited Slither to play with them. The coral crown be the prize. Slither, touched by their kindness, agreed. Sam and Emma's friendship helped them win. Laughter echoed through the cavern as they played. Slither returned the crown. A wave of radiant color washed over Coral Cove. The seashell returned the kids to the beach, leaving behind a kingdom brimming with the memory of an unlikely friendship.